Alrighty guys, welcome back to Talala. We're going to finish up the Baron Baptiste methodology that I've been teaching for the last few weeks. This will be the fourth part of the Baron Baptiste methodology. It's the grounding sequence towards the end, so nice and cooling. So if you've done the more fiery sections with me, then you could probably really be interested in this one and just relaxing. And for those of you that might not have done the fiery portions of the Baron Baptiste methodology and are just here to kind of relax and ground, this is a perfect sequence to bring you back into the physical body and just allow yourself to kind of be present, be serene, and be observant of what comes up. So we will start on our yoga mats, sitting with our legs forward. Alrighty guys, so sitting with your legs forward, go ahead and bend the left knee, and then set the left knee down to the side, left foot hugging into the right thigh. Going to keep a nice flat back and straight spine. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, slowly begin to fold forward. Find your edge of length down that back line. And then let the arms relax alongside the right leg. If you can take a hold of the right foot, feel free to. If not, then just allow the arms to relax alongside the body. Head can fold in towards shin or stay more upright, depending on the level of lengthening in your back line. So same thing here. Every pose we try to stay for at least 5 breaths, relaxing in, feeling a bit of fulfillment on the inhalation and a bit of surrender on the exhalation. And slowly peel the chest up on your next inhale. Go ahead and straighten the left leg. Bend the right knee. Place the right foot down. Open that right knee out to the right side. Left foot hugging into the left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, nice long spine reaching forward in line with that left leg. Allow the arms to relax alongside the left leg and fold in. For some of us, we might just stay up on the palms, bending a little bit forward, and this might be it for us. There is nothing wrong with staying more upright. Listen to your own individual body and never push past an edge. So it's okay to find a bit of resistance and discomfort, but never pain. Folding in. Slowly peel the chest up on inhale. And take a nice smooth exhale. Straighten the right leg out in front of you. And we come into Paschimottanasana, our forward fold. So if you have tight hamstrings and know it, just bend the knees to start out with. Inhale, lengthen up. And exhale, slowly begin to fold forward. Find your edge. Allow the arms to relax alongside the body. And fold into your level. So that could be more upright, or you can fold all the way down towards the space between the shins. And if you're rounding the upper back heavily, try to bring the shoulders down the back, straighten the back, and then fold. You might not go as deep, but your lungs and your body will thank you in the long run. So every inhalation gives you a tiny pulse upward. Every exhalation gives you a tiny bit of surrender towards the earth. Slowly begin to peel the chest up on the inhalation. Take a nice smooth exhalation. And bring the hands back behind the hips, fingers tracking forward, shoulders down the back, chest open. Bend the knees, plant the feet, and on an inhale, press the hips up. Let the head drop back. Reverse tabletop. Keep pressing the hips up. And slowly sit the hips down. Straighten the legs out in front of you. And bring the hands underneath the hips, palms facing down. Take a deep inhale. Shoulders down the back. Slowly bend the elbows. Bring your weight back onto the elbows. Open the heart. And let the crown of the head drop down behind you. Toes slightly pointing forward. Fish pose. So we allow our heart to be open here. And slowly bring the head down. Bring the hands out from under the hips and pull the knees into the chest. You can rock from side to side here. Just take a moment to release the lower lumbar. And then go ahead and rock the knees over the head, hands to the lower back. Work the elbows underneath the body, and then straighten the legs overhead as we come into a shoulder stand. So really pressing the feet up towards the ceiling, trying to create a straight line of energy. And the elbows tend to splay out. This is one of the tougher poses for me. And we always want to work that energy in through the center line, directing the weight of the trunk up so that it's not dumping into the rib cage. And slowly you can bring the legs down behind you if plow is in your practice. Toes point down towards the earth. And maybe the hands come back behind you. You can allow the knees to relax alongside the ears for dead bug or dead plow. Dead man's plow. And then slowly beginning to wave the spine down. Knees come into the chest. And bring the hands behind the head, clasp the fingers, so just as if you were lounging in the house, and drop the knees over to the left. So we're getting a nice spinal twist, and then look to the right. Keep the shoulders plugged down. And slowly come back to center. And let the knees drop to the right. Head to the left. And slowly back through center. Hands around the knees. Rock from side to side. And fall out into Shavasana. Take up space. Allow the arms to fall alongside the body. Deep grounding here. Just allow the body to be present and calm. Instead of filling into our body, really filling into our essence, our very presence. You want to inhale, lengthen the arms up overhead. And move the shoulders and the arms over towards the right. Move the legs over towards the right. You could cross the ankles. You could take a hold of the wrists. We're making a little crescent shape here. You can turn your head to the right. Find some length down the left side body. And slowly through center. Straighten everything back out. Get nice and long. Move towards the left. Legs to the left, shoulders and hands to the left. You can take a hold of wrists. You can cross the ankles. Nice side body stretch. And if it feels good, turn towards the left with the head. And slowly back through center. Pull the knees into the chest. And rock up to a seat. Cross-legged seat. Shut the eyes down here for a moment. Hands resting on the knees. Relax the shoulders. Palms can shine up if you're feeling more receptive today. And always allowing your yoga practice to bring you home into your physical form, but also more so home in the mind. So we fine-tune the instrument of the physical body so that we can become more in tune with that of the mind. So with our very essence, our true being, our true unity, the all that is around us. Bring the palms together at heart center, bowing down towards self. We say namaste.